What is up, YouTube? Thank you guys for joining me today. If we have any Aquamigos in the house, let me know down in the comments below. Today, what I have for you guys is a review video on a professional USB podcasting microphone by a company called Maono. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I think I am. But before I really get into this video, if you guys wouldn't mind going down and liking this video, that would help me out so much with the YouTube algorithm, and I will be forever grateful to you guys. So what this is, guys, it is a USB condenser microphone, and it is a very simple, user-friendly plug-in and play setup. It has everything that you need in here. Very similar to the Toner podcasting microphone that I reviewed before, but this one is a USB microphone, meaning that you could plug it straight into your USB port on your computer. And before I go ahead and unbox this, I just want to show you guys the Amazon page really quick because I saw something pretty interesting on there. So if you go to the Amazon page, guys, and I will be linking this down in the description below in case you want to check it out, but if you scroll down here, it says right here, compatible with all operating systems for laptop, PC, and mobile phones. Check that out, guys. You could plug this into your cell phone, but you do need an adapter. So if you want to record audio into your cell phone, you could do that if you buy this adapter right here. It's not included, so you're gonna have to buy that separately. I don't have one today, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be plugging it into my laptop. So I'm gonna go ahead and scroll right back up here. If you guys look right here, it goes for $64.99, comes with free shipping. If you look here, it is a cardioid condenser podcast microphone. Cardioid is just the recording pattern that most condenser microphones use. This right here is what a cardioid pattern is. But to put it simply, a cardioid microphone, all it really means is that it picks up audio from the front of the microphone. So as usual, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this microphone set. I'm gonna give you guys a demo of this microphone set, and then I'm gonna give you guys my review on it. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright guys, let's just go ahead and take a quick look at everything that came inside the box. Up here we have the little tripod stand that the microphone can go on, and I'm pretty sure this is meant to go with the tripod stand to attach the microphone to it, which is great for if you're on the go and you want to bring your microphone around places. It saves you from having to bring the huge arm stand. And this is the arm stand, and this is the clamp that attaches to the arm stand that connects to your desk. This is the actual microphone itself, and it, for the size of it, it has a decent amount of weight. This is like a little windsock thingy that goes on top of the microphone. These are some Velcros that I'm assuming are used to tie up cables and such. Then over here we have the shock mount, and of course the instructions. So what I want to do really quick is just set up the microphone really quick on this tripod stand, and then after that we'll go ahead and set up the cool arm stand. Alright guys, there we go. Yeah, I like this, guys. The base of the tripod stand is pretty large, so you don't have to worry about like knocking this thing over, you know what I mean? And then underneath you could see that there's space to plug in the cable, the USB cable. Now let's go ahead and set up the arm stand or the boom stand, whatever you want to call this thing. Alright guys, so now we have the microphone all set up, and on the count of 3, I'm going to go ahead and switch from the audio being the microphone on my camera to this microphone right here. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, now you're hearing the audio through this Maono condenser microphone, and I'm also listening to it through my headphones, so I know how it sounds right now. And I gotta say, I think it sounds pretty decent. It sounds pretty good. I am pretty happy with the way it sounds. I mean, for the price of $64.99, I think it's a pretty good purchase. If you guys are familiar with my videos, I really like these all-in-one packages where for somebody to start out, like At least when I was starting out in music, like for me personally, I felt like it was a little overwhelming not knowing what I needed to buy, not knowing what equipment I should get. And I feel like it might be the same for a lot of people who might want to do things like start a podcast, especially if you're just starting out, guys. You might be a little hesitant to drop like hundreds of dollars on a really expensive condenser microphone. And I think these all-in-one setups that are like a USB microphone or an all-in-one setup like this is really good because it kind of gets your feet wet, it gets you into the game, and it's still a good quality microphone. So you can get into the game relatively quickly without having to break the bank. And I think that's really important for a lot of people. It helps you get started. And that's what I really love about this microphone. And I mean, everything seems good quality to me. You know, if you don't like having this huge arm thing, it comes with a little tripod stand. If you don't want to use it, you know, just you could push it out of the way. And I'm listening to the audio very closely, and I think it sounds really good. I think it sounds good, and I think this is a really good purchase for the price. So alright guys, now I'm going to go ahead and give you my final review on this microphone. Alright guys, so now you're hearing my audio through the microphone on my camera again. Let me just get this thing out of the way. That's the cool thing about it, guys. Like, you could push it totally out of the way. So as you guys can tell, I like this microphone. I'm definitely going to have to give this one, you know, my 2 thumbs up. So guys, sometimes when I review a product, there's certain marks that really mean a lot to me, and if a product hits all these marks, that is really good. So for example, this microphone right here, one of the marks that I always look for in products is affordability, and in my opinion, this microphone is very affordable at $64.99. The next is the quality of the product. I feel like for $64.99, you get a lot of bang for your buck. You get this entire all-in-one setup, and the quality of the microphone is really good for a $65 microphone. And the third thing that I really liked about this microphone is the simplicity of it. The setup was really straightforward. I didn't even have to look at the instructions to set up this microphone. And the fact that it works across all operating systems and even mobile devices if you have the proper adapter for it, I really like that. And as far as I know, just about every computer has a USB port, so pretty much I think just about everyone will be able to use this microphone. As you can tell, I really like this microphone. I think Maono did a great job with it. By the way, guys, I didn't mention it earlier, but the model number of this microphone is AU-A04 Plus. And I will have the Amazon link to this microphone down in the description below in case you want to check that out. And guys, if you are new here, if this is the first video of mine that you've ever seen, I strongly encourage you to go check out my channel. I do a bunch of different types of videos and a bunch of review videos. And if you like what you see there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and possibly even hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you could also like this video, that would help me out tremendously in the YouTube algorithm. And I will talk to you guys next time. Peace!